If you're wondering how to change the currency in your Hostinger account, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to go inside Hostinger, how to find the store settings, and how to update the currency for your online store in just a few clicks. This is a simple change, but it's really important if you want your prices to display correctly for your customers and keep your store looking professional. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy Hostinger tutorials. Let's get into it. First, log into your Hostinger dashboard and open the website you want to manage in Website Builder. Once you're inside the editor, look at the top navigation bar and click E-commerce. Depending on the version of the interface you're using, you may see Store on the left sidebar instead. Either option will take you to the Store Manager page, which is where all of your e-commerce settings are controlled. Now that you're in Store Manager, look for the sidebar menu on the left. Click Settings, then select Store Settings. This area contains the core configuration options for your online store, including the regional settings that control how your store information is displayed. After that, scroll down until you find the regional settings section. Here, you'll see the currency option with a drop-down list. Click the drop-down and choose the currency you want to use for your store. Make sure you pick the correct one, because this will affect how product prices are shown to your customers. Once you've selected your preferred currency, simply click Save to apply the change. Hostinger will update the currency across your online store, and your prices should now display in the new format. It's a good idea to quickly check your product pages afterward to confirm everything looks right. And that's it. You've successfully changed the currency in your Hostinger account. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step website builder guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.